Hello, nice to meet you. This time I have prepared a video. This video has a lot of shaking. It's a slow motion video, and the camera screen moves back and forth a lot. In case like this, we can apply an effect to prevent motion artificially. This effect is called warp stabilizer. Click the effect, search for warp stabilizer in the search bar, and apply the effect. Just to be safe, let me duplicate this clip. Let's try applying it now. As soon as you apply it, analysis starts automatically. You can see the process here as well. Currently analyzing. Let's see how it changed. You can see that much of the shaking has disappeared. I will show you a comparison video. Sometimes, in extreme cases, we prefer no motion at all. In that case, you can select no motion. Usually, the default settings work the best, so I recommend not making adjustments. As you can see, there's a bit of black on the screen. When this happens, pressing Preserve Scale fills in the black area. With no motion, the screen might occasionally appear slightly blurred. Therefore, it's better to choose smooth motion and adjust the smoothness. And I will set it to 80%. And let's see what happens. And that is for today. I will see you next time. Bye bye.